Record-breaking fiber optic transmission. 50 million streams at once, a new milestone in data transmission has been achieved, pushing the limits of existing fiber optic infrastructure to unprecedented speeds. Researchers at University College London, UCL, have successfully transmitted 450 terabits per second through a commercially installed fiber optic cable beneath the streets of London, a rate equivalent to streaming 50 million movies simultaneously. The breakthrough, squeezing more from what we have this record-breaking speed, nearly 10 times faster than current commercial networks, was achieved using existing cables running between UCL's Bloomsbury lab and a data center in Canary Wharf. The team, led by Polina Bavel, didn't lay new infrastructure. Instead, they leveraged what's already in place. This is critical because deploying new fiber optic cables is expensive and disruptive. The key was custom-designed hardware that sent data across a wider spectrum of frequencies, 1264 to 1617.8 nanometers, than standard commercial networks. This required overcoming distortions caused by varying refractive indexes within the fiber optic cables at different laser intensities. Why this matters? AI and beyond. While the average internet user won't immediately feel the impact of this speed boost, the implications for artificial intelligence, AI, are significant. Bavel notes, AI infrastructure is generating a lot of data, and that data is spewing into the network. The exponential growth of AI requires bandwidth that current networks struggle to meet. The research also highlights a fundamental shift in fiber optic development, a focus on maximizing the capacity of existing infrastructure before pursuing entirely new technologies. Carrie-Ann Harrington at the University of Bath explains, "The interesting thing about this work is it's using what's already in the ground, which is the expensive thing to change. Real-world testing, dirty connectors and urban noise. What sets this experiment apart is that it wasn't conducted in a sterile lab. The cables used were heavily used, dirty, and exposed to real-world interference from London's bustling streets. This demonstrates the potential for rapid deployment on existing infrastructure, with researchers suggesting commercial rollout within 5 years. Faster speeds have been achieved before in highly regulated experiments, but this work crucially used existing cables that have been heavily used, have dirty connectors, sit underneath a bustling city full of traffic and noise, and represent a real-world test that shows it could be rolled out on existing infrastructure. This breakthrough offers a practical path towards significantly increasing internet capacity without the massive cost of replacing existing cables. The future of data transmission may rely on squeezing every last bit of performance out of the infrastructure we already have.